today we have part 2 of the Case 444 garden tractor series. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, I highly recommend you guys go check that one out. If you have seen the last video, you'll know that we ran into a problem, and that is we got this tractor turning over the starter generator. I don't think it's working. One of these poles, it is super loose and there's no threads left on it. We were gonna test if we got any spark from the spark plug, but it wouldn't turn over. And we ran into one more problem. This morning I came down to come check this tractor out and put this battery on the battery charger, and I smelled gas, and I looked under the tractor here and the gas tank's leaking. We have a parts tractor out back. It does have a starter generator on it, and I don't know about the gas tank. We'll have to check that out. So I'm gonna grab some wrenches here. We'll go see if we can get it off. We'll cut off here. There we go. Cow. So I finally got it out. There it is. That took a long time to get that out. Next is we're going to remove that. We're going to take this and we're going to put that on there. Turn it over. Maybe I need a new coil. Just figured, might as well try this coil on this machine, see if we get anything. Just want to say that we're not getting any spark right now, and that's why I'm trying a different coil. it's getting late. It's around 6 o'clock. We got it to finally turn over. It's turning over, but we have no spark. That's all I got for today. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.